Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML CSS tutorial for beginners to the advanced level. And right now we'll be discussing about the CSS selectors. A CSS selector selects the HTML elements you want to style. CSS selectors are used to find or to select the HTML elements you want to style. We can divide CSS selectors into 5 categories: simple selectors, combination selectors, pseudo class selectors, pseudo element selectors, attribute selectors. Simple selectors select elements based on name, ID, class. Combination selectors select elements based on a specific relationship between them. Pseudo class selectors select elements based on a certain state. Pseudo element selectors select and style a part of an element. Attribute selectors select elements based on an attribute or attribute values. This page will explain the most basic CSS selectors you can ever find. Once again, we can define CSS selectors into 5 categories: simple selectors, combination selectors, pseudo class selectors, pseudo elements selectors, attribute selectors. And again, CSS selectors are used to find or select the HTML elements you want to style. So this is what we got for now. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Until the next tutorial. Bye bye.